What's up guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a vertigo effect or a dolly zoom effect. But first, what's a vertigo effect? It's a camera technique where you put a subject in the center of your frame and then you use a dolly to move your camera backward or forward while you have a zoom lens. So you have to zoom in or zoom out based on your movement if the camera goes forward or backward, and it creates a sort of a vertigo effect for the spectator. This effect was used in so many famous movies like Vertigo and Jaws, for example. This effect, as I said, is an in-camera effect, so we are gonna try to reproduce it on the software on Premiere Pro. So let's go right into Premiere Pro and I'm gonna show you how to do this easily. But before we go on Premiere, I'm just gonna remind you, if you wanna support me, just hit the like button, it's free. It doesn't cost anything, so hit the like button, it's gonna support my channel. Subscribe to this channel and hit the follow button on Instagram too, and that's it. Go back to the video. So here in Premiere Pro, I just have these two clips that I have imported already from my Prague travel video. I have this one that the camera is going forward, and then I have this one, the camera in the same way is going forward too. We're gonna try to recreate the effect here, just putting some simple effect on it. You just have to go in scale, hit the stopwatch in the first keyframe of your clip, so the first frame, and you create a keyframe right here. Then you go at the end of your clip and you just place another keyframe, just hitting this one. I just did a small tutorial how to do a keyframe in my previous videos, so go check them out. Then you go on the first keyframe and you just go for a zoom in. You just have to scale up the clip. So we are gonna go now for under than 50, maybe we're gonna try like this, and then we're gonna hit play. You see, you have created just like a vertigo effect. It's not the same because you don't have the lens distortion and the background doesn't go blurry, but anyway, it's kind of good. But now the problem with this clip is that here we have this wall, so it's not so good because I cannot go for more scale up on the clip because we are gonna see only this part of the clip that it's not very interesting. But when it's going to zoom out, it's gonna look not so bad, at least. We're gonna go for this second clip. This is a better one. We just do the same here and we just go for a 200 of scale. You go to the end of your clip and put another keyframe. You just hit this button here so you can reset your position. And then we just hit play. You see the vertigo effect here is stronger. And this is how you do a vertigo effect on your clip. It's very easy, as you could see. So this is the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, just hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what you think about this effect. Hit that subscribe button, it's gonna help support the channel. Follow me on Instagram, and this is it for now. So see you in the next video. Bye.